Today's home is set in the middle of a pine forest up in the hills on the island of Ibiza. So Rolf, tell me a little bit first about the history of BLAKSTAD, because I know that your dad started it many years ago.
My father arrived on Ibiza in 1956 and actually started the company in 1967. Started to renovate old fincas, of which of course there's very few nowadays.
So tell me about this villa. I mean, it's incredible. How long did it take to build, first of all?
Well, it took about 18 months. The design is dictated by the location. So in this case, the view of the house is to the north, and of course we wanted to open up the house to the south. That's the reason why the living room is open on both sides, in order to allow the sunlight in and also get the view. At the same time, there's a patio to the south, so that on windy days you can sit protected from the wind and still get the view through the house. It's based on the traditional vernacular Ibizenco houses or old fincas, which were introduced to the island by the Phoenicians in the 7th century BC. And of course, we've maintained the design elements, although we've adapted them to modern standards of living. Up here on the top of the hill, we usually have a good breeze, and we can get away without air conditioning as everything opens up.
So let me ask you, is this a house for sale or is this a house for rent?
This is a family home that is occasionally rented.